In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge accounts in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever found yourself looking at your chart of accounts and noticing that you have two accounts with the same name, don't worry, you are not alone. This often happens when data imports, or account creations, contain minor discrepancies. Merging these accounts is a straightforward process and can help clean up your financial data, ensuring everything is streamlined and organized. To get started, take a look at your chart of accounts. Identify those accounts that have the same name and need to be merged. Once you've identified the accounts in question, focus your attention on the sub-account that you wish to merge with the primary account. The sub-account is usually the one that holds the less significant data or the one you're willing to consolidate into the primary. Begin by clicking on the small caret icon next to the sub-account's name. This icon is usually a little triangle or arrow and gives you access to detailed options related to the account. Once you've clicked it, you'll want to select the Edit option. It's important to make sure you're editing the correct account, so take a moment to double-check. Next, head to the Account Details panel where you'll see a checkbox labeled Make this a sub-account. Uncheck this box. This step is crucial as it tells QuickBooks that you're ready to reclassify this account. After you've deselected the sub-account box, you'll see a new option appear. It will ask, Merge Accounts? Be sure to read this prompt carefully to ensure you're merging the correct accounts. Now simply click the Yes, Merge Accounts option. By confirming this action, you instruct QuickBooks to consolidate data from the sub-account into your chosen primary account. The effect of this merge is that all transactions and associated data are combined, tying up any loose ends and ensuring everything is in one comprehensive account. Finally, don't forget to click Save. This is the last but essential step in applying the changes you've made. Once saved, the sub-account is effectively merged into the primary account, and you will now notice that your chart of accounts reflects this change, showing only one account where there were previously two. And there you have it. You've successfully merged your accounts in QuickBooks Online. This can be an incredibly useful tool for anyone looking to tidy up their financials and ensure everything is as it should be. By following these simple steps, you maintain a more organized and efficient accounting system. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to keep exploring all the features QuickBooks